Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Barb. We're at Bobchi's Corner. We're in my garden, my backyard. And I don't know why I get so tongue-tied every time I hit record. This does not get any easier, you know, especially when you take a little bit of time off or you're not doing as many videos. It doesn't get any easier. But I want to bring you along. There's some planting of sweet corn, planting of flint corn, and it's in my raised beds, so I'm doing a little bit of experimenting. Everything else is just the usual stuff that I like to have on hand, that I preserve. But let me bring you along. Let's get to it. I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and get, I don't know, it's typically 8 inches apart. I'm gonna go closer, and I think I'm gonna do more like, I'm gonna try and get like 4 kernels in here. I'm gonna go down about 1 inch deep. I've never done this before, so this is one of my experiments. I'm gonna try sweet corn. So my flint corn is going to go into this bed, which is closest to my chicken coop, far away from my sweet corn, because I'm not sure what would happen if it cross-pollinated. So I just need to clean this up, put some soil in here, put some black cow, and then some fertilizer, and then I will plant. So this is the flint corn, and I did the regular sweet corn way down there at the end. I'm going to use this 2100 from Dixondale Farms, which is where my onions came from. I'm going to fertilize with these. I found a few that were rotted, so I pulled them out and I replaced them with, I still had some teeny tiny little ones, so I just threw those in there. We'll see what happens. So this one's done. I'm going to go to the next bed and do those onions as well. As you can see, these are doing so much better. I don't see any of them that have rotted. But I do see a spot in the back. I can probably plug in some of those little ones that, I don't know if they're still alive or not, but I'm going to stick those in anyhow. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to try to do something different here because I do have peas growing along the edge here. So I'm just trying to keep the squirrels and critters out. So let me see what I can do here without putting it as a hoop cover. I honestly think this is gonna work. So this is my rainwater catchment barrel. Got it off of Amazon. I love it. It has a spout. It has an overflow. And if you want to do a drip irrigation, it also has a connection for the drip irrigation. I'll link it in my description box if you're interested. They come in different styles or colors and very reasonable, I felt. So while I'm here, let me show you my gooseberry. These are my gooseberry shrubs that I planted last year. I pruned them in the fall, and this is how they came back. So hopefully this year I'll get some gooseberries. The third plant is over by the side of the garage. These are going to get moved over there as well because I think I'm going to put my garden shed here. Not sure yet. Also from Amazon. My transplanted strawberries. They are loving it here. They are thriving as opposed to having them in those whiskey barrels. They are thriving. So we'll see what I get out of them. So this is going to be my little strawberry patch right next to my onions. And now I should probably fertilize my cabbage patch as well. So I'm going to do that next. I don't want to jinx this, but these are doing better than ever. Planting them here. I don't know why. Nothing ever does anything good over here in these beds. But yeah, so 6 heads of cabbage and they're doing very well. So I'm just going to go ahead and fertilize and kind of move the soil up a little bit around them. I guess they call it cultivating. My method of cultivating. So I'm gonna do the Brussels sprouts as well. Look how well they are thriving. This blows me away. I don't know what I did different. I just put them in different bed. I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea. Maybe I put them out earlier than I have in the past. I honestly have no clue what I did right. But so far, they look like I did something right. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of these. And I have a couple of cauliflower heads in here too that, not cauliflower heads, but cauliflower plants. It's pretty windy today. Look at that sunflower go. That is spinning. Alright, so this one's done. I'm just using the, whatever this is, Garden Tone all-purpose fertilizer for the cabbages and for the Brussels sprouts. And look at my rhubarb plant back there. It seems to like that area. Alright, so what I'm going to use is this sulfate of potash. And again, this was recommended, so I ordered it off of Amazon. If anybody's interested, I will link it. I went ahead and ordered some more of these. Completely forgot about them. That's why the squirrels are all digging in my raised beds. So I ordered more. A lot of this stuff you could probably find at your local garden center or a Walmart or, Lowe's, elsewhere. But for convenience, I don't want you to think I'm pushing products. I'm not. I'm just listing everything I have so you can see what I have. And then if you wish to, you can order them from Amazon or go to your local garden center or Walmart or Target or somewhere. Let's see if we have anything. Oh, we've got a chicken in there. Okay, somebody is laying me an egg. Oh, another one. Okay. Too early to collect. Look at them. They're all comfy, dust bathing. I gotta fix that little rooster there.